Hi, I'm Sun. Oh, my brother just got home. Alright, so today I'm bleaching the bottom half of my hair, so we'll see how successful I am. So right now my hair is like this black color. Well, not color, this is my natural hair color, and it's fading into this pinkish reddish color, and I don't want to damage all my hair, so that's why I'm not bleaching all my hair. I'm just going to bleach the bottom half of my hair and then color it pink or orange or something to see how it goes. We're just experimenting, but you're going to follow me along, and if you want, you can do your hair like this too. Doesn't matter what color you have it. If you have like an underneath color, it always looks good. Let's go into it. I'll show you how I mix my bleach and everything. Okay, so I make sure I always cover my surfaces before I start. I have Quick Blue Bleach, 30 volume developer. I just mix 1 part bleach and 2 parts developer. And then I just mix. As you can see, I sectioned off my hair so that I just have the bottom half. And I'm going to paint on the roots first and then paint just a little bit on the ends. I don't want it to touch the ends, but I'm gonna go underneath first. So I clip this part up. This is all that I don't want. I'm going to saran wrap the top. I saran wrap the top, I look so weird, but I do this so that I don't accidentally touch the top of my hair when I'm bleaching. So just doing that as a precaution, and I'm going to start bleaching here. I have it all covered now. I'm going to just tie it and put a hair cap on it. Now I have my hair wrapped up, and I'm going to wait about 45 minutes before I wash it out, and we'll see how it goes. Hey guys, so this is what my hair looks like so far underneath. So I think I'm going to bleach it another time so that some of the parts, like my roots, are as yellow. It looks a little bit orange in the light, but yeah, it's quite yellow underneath here, like especially where the roots are, so I gotta touch those parts up. So this is how it looks like so far. I actually love this look. I love having like this yellowish color underneath the pink. It looks very like an ice cream. Alright, so now I'm doing a second session of bleach, because I found out that a lot of pieces were like very yellow, especially the middle sections. So yeah, I'm just gonna let it sit for another 45 minutes. Hey guys, I'm back. So this is what the result of my hair looks like. Yes, I have it curled right now. It's a lot less brassy now underneath. You can still see some brassiness, but I didn't tone it at all. I'm just gonna leave it like this so that my hair can like heal and stuff. And it doesn't look bad since the color is like underneath. I like this contrast a lot actually. I'm not going to tone it yet just so that my hair can heal. My scalp can heal. I was thinking about toning it to gray or to like a light gray color, but right now I'm not going to tone it yet. You'll see in my future videos if I do anything else different with my hair. Pink hair did fade a little. My pink red hair did fade a little from me washing it a couple of times while I was bleaching my hair, but I'll probably touch it up too. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and always supporting me. Please follow me on my Instagram. I'm starting a shop soon, an e-commerce shop or a boutique selling lashes like the ones I have on right now, and selling other items like accessories and stuff. So I'll announce that when it comes out, but follow my shop Instagram. I'll have it right here also, so that you can be updated and you can sign up for email newsletters. Very exciting stuff. Talk to you guys next time. Bye.